Hello and welcome back to Curry TV. Today we're going to make cranberry dates pickle. It's very special, especially during this holidays. These are perfect to give as gift too. So let's take a look at all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. I got 1 teaspoon mustard, red chili powder. This is the spicy one without the color. So this is 1 tablespoon, quarter teaspoon of my turmeric powder, hing for taste, asafoetida. This is mustard seeds that is split. So this is usually seen in Kerala pickles. So I have 1 tablespoon of that. Fresh garlic, ginger and green chilies. So 3 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, and 2 Thai chilies, and sugar to balance all our spiciness and sweetness and everything together. I got 4 dates that's been soaking in warm water. We'll be making all this in sesame oil. We need vinegar. And of course our hero is cranberry along with some fresh curry leaves, and we need some salt to taste. So let's see how this is made. Okay, my pan is heating up. We are going to pour 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and that's really good for your health too. So if you would like to add more of these kind of ingredients in your diet, it's good for you. So let's do that. 2 tablespoons. Okay, oil is nice and hot. Let's add in our mustard. It will take a couple of seconds because I'm using cast iron pan. It will take a few minutes to warm up, but once it's warm, it's going to sustain its heat all throughout the way. Our mustard started doing its dance. We are getting ready to get with our garlic, ginger and green chilies. Mustard is ready. We're going to go in with our fresh garlic, very thinly sliced, along with a small piece of ginger. This is somewhat spicy and tangy, so ginger and a couple green chilies. Let's stir that up. Okay, I'm going to lower my heat here. I'm going to go in with my split mustard seeds along with, we're going to stir that up, and then we're going to add our curry leaves. That's according to your desire how much you want. You could add a whole stem or just a few. It will splatter. Okay, now it's time to go in with our dates. So the dates, I took 4 dates which has been soaking in warm water, so it's easy and softened. Okay, our dates are softened up. Let's go in with our spices. So this is red chili powder and turmeric powder. Let's mix it up. Very good. So all our dates has mashed very well into our pickle base. So now we're going to go in with our fresh cranberries. This is 2 cups of cranberries that I've washed and ready to go. Be very careful. It will reduce it down. So just be very patient and watch the surprise. At this time, we're going to go in with our salt. Season that. Along with 1 teaspoon of sugar, just to balance our sweetness and the tartness. And especially during the holidays when cranberries are available, make a batch and get them ready. It's worth it. Absolutely worth it. Okay. Sugar also acts as a preservative. Now we're going to add in ½ cup of vinegar. the sweetness, the tartness, the sourness is all going to come together. And the spiciness from the green chilies and red chilies is all going to blend so well with our cranberries. And taste it and see if this consistency is good enough for you. If not, you could add a tablespoon or two of hot water. That will also help. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. I'm just going to stir it and add a pinch of asafoetida. A rich, red, vibrant color pickle is all ready. It's very easy. Within 10 minutes, it comes together. Let's turn off our stove. We are done. Before we transfer this to a container or a mason jar, we need to let it cool completely, and so that it will last longer. So definitely try this recipe out. I hope you enjoyed spending time with us. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.